Iron birds over Eden, claws in the sky, wings of steel where the angels used to fly. Olive trees turn to graves overnight, while the children sleep under satellite lights. Scrolls replaced by red dot beams, they paint the Holy Land with war machine dreams. Minarets fall with no warning bell, sanctified soil turned to living hell. They don't drop peace, they drop proof of who decides what's sacred true. Iron birds over Eden, circling low, singing war songs where the prayers used to flow. Flames in the fields, prophets in chains, dropping blessings, branded with names. This ain't heaven, this ain't fate, this is empire dressed in fate.
See the crosshair flash in the garden of peace. Now a drone strikes sermon preached to the east. No ark, just tanks in the flood of fire. Every treaty sign just feeds the liar. Pilots chant code like they're holy lines, while heaven watches in silent decline. And Eden bleeds from every side. Where doves once flew, now warplanes glide.
They say it's divine, but who gave the sky permission to burn the vine? Iron birds over Eden,